Catch! Well, you can't see her from this angle. We gotta move around.
It's okay. It's okay. It's your turn. Yeah. No, it's okay.
Yeah. Catch!
Bang. You keep throwing a ball on her head.
I'm not throwing it on her. I'm trying to throw it towards her. She doesn't seem to mind. One, two, three. Doing, doing, doing. Guys!
Why you scream so loud? Bang.
Sleepy baby.
You okay? You okay? Good girl.
Yeah, you took a much bigger fall like a second ago.
Yeah. Yeah. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball.
What? Oh, there's the ball. Okay.
You don't want to fall again.
I know, I don't want her to fall and hit her head on the wood stuff. That's my concern. Naya! Looking at the camera, like, I'm gonna
Oh, okay. Play with the magic.
Yeah, Daddy's got your ball. 1, 2, 3. Go get it. Go get it. Daddy's gonna get it. Daddy's gonna get it. Daddy's gonna get it. Daddy's gonna get it. Oh, you got it. He's gonna fall over. 1, 2, 3. I think that's a good video. It's too long to do anything with it.
It's okay. It's just record in the family.
Okay. Hi! We should definitely send this video to Yana. Naya! M! Hey Naya, you want to drive in your car?
Hi. Bye for now.